you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. How is the quarantine going on?
It's okay so far. It's been good since many years. This is the time where all the family is together after a long gap.
So tell me about yourself.
Okay, I am Toyajashri. I have pursued my graduation in Geetam University. Yeah. I am from CSC background.
Okay, how many companies you attended and how many companies you got placed into?
I have attended around 10 to 12 companies. I have got placed in 4 companies.
Okay. So as you have attended and you have placed in 4 companies, was there any preparations you did for the companies?
Yeah, obviously we'll have to prepare and then attend the companies, right? Yeah, you'll have to prepare yourself about the resume. Whatever you have kept in your resume, you should be thorough about it. That's it.
So when did you start the preparation? Like at what certain time did you start?
Beginning of the final year, I could say, in our college, they have given the preparation in terms like for written test, they have prepared us. We have written many mock tests and all. And after that, I have prepared for core thing in the final year from the beginning.
So you have written exams in CoCubes, right?
Yeah, I did.
So how is that platform different from other platforms, and what are the benefits you get when you face the CoCube?
Yeah, CoCube platform is very user friendly, firstly, and that platform brings you many companies. There will be certain cutoff, like you'll have to score up to 50% in all the sections, then you'll be eligible for many companies. And from the 4 companies which I have got placed, one was from CoCubes only, the Harman Kardon. It was from CoCubes. I was eligible for it, and I have attended the interview through CoCubes.
How will they take? Like there will be many centers when you write an online exam like CoCubes or AMCAT, right? So
Yeah.
how will they company? In what
Uh,
way?
the company will have their cutoffs. Like you'll have the exam on many sections, right? Like quantitative, verbal, and coding. Everything you'll have, right? The company will have their cutoffs. Based on that, when you meet their expectations, when you meet that cutoff, then you'll be eligible. Otherwise, they'll not take you.
So how was the preparation when you started preparing, and on what basis did you prepare? Which all the topics you covered when preparing?
Yeah, quantitative, almost all the topics was covered because we had many practice sessions. Like the phase prep came, and they have taught us many things. Similarly, many companies have come and they have taught us. Our college has brought those companies to the campus and they have taught us. Like QSPEDers also came. You guys must also have been practicing those things, right? Yeah. From those companies, we have prepared for the written test. They have given practice on coding as well, quantitative and coding.
After intermediate, you joined for engineering. How
Yeah.
did you? On what basis did you decide that engineering suits you exactly or fits you exactly?
I did not think that much, but somewhere I just wanted to be an engineer. That's how I came there.
Like, okay, you are a hosteler, right?
Yeah.
So, how was the hostel facilities in the hostel?
Our
Daily.
college hostel is very good, I must say, because in my intermediate also I was in hostel for 2 years. Comparatively, this is the best. They provided individual rooms and all, right. We had a lot of privacy. We had time to study and good food. Yeah, our college is the best hostel wise.
What is the most important thing which you are gonna miss in the hostel life?
Hostel life. I'll miss my friends, late night chats with friends.
Uh, how do you feel when you say to people that you got these many companies and you got placed in these many companies? How do you feel that?
I feel very happy and blessed in the same way because we have got so much of knowledge from the college. They have given a good base for us, which is not done in many other colleges. So I feel very happy and proud to be a Geetamite.
Okay. Like normally we have some faculty inspirers or teacher inspirers in our life. When it comes to you, teacher inspiration you have in your life?
In my life in engineering, I must say Shamla ma'am. She was the guide. She was the project guide and everything. She was the she came for subjects also. Yeah, she was the guide. She's my inspirer.
So when it comes to our overall experience in Geetham, how was it?
I had so much fun. I'm very happy also because I got placed in those companies, and it was good. I'm gonna miss my college a lot, like everybody do.
How happy are you with the placement opportunities you got from Geetham Bangalore, and any suggestions you can, if you want to give, so that it can be improved?
Nothing much. I'm happy with the college the way it is.
Any suggestions for your juniors?
Do listen to the lecturers, be prepared, and be confident. That's all. That's all I would say.
Lastly, I have a doubt. Go for placements, right?
Yeah.
So, is that different? Like some people assume if I have a good project in my hand, I can go for a good company. Is that true, or it is a false assumption?
Yeah, it applies to many companies. I wouldn't say all the companies pick you on that basis only, but it does. You must have a very good knowledge on the project you do. Only then, when the person on the opposite side asks you about your project, you must be able to explain it very well, in detail. Okay, like many people will raise a few doubts also in between. They'll try to confuse you, but you must be confident and you must know the project well. You'll have internships, mini projects, and projects as well, right? You must be clear with all these three things. If you are good in this, then the chance of the person hiring you is more, I would say. Because of all the companies I've attended, each and every HR or the technical person have asked me about my project. So you should be thorough about your project. See, what you feel is when you attend a company or when you go to the company, what you'll feel is the person on the opposite side will ask you only about coding if you are a computer science person. Most of the people will test your basic knowledge. They'll not directly jump into the code, or they'll not directly ask you to write the program or something like that. But you should be thorough with the basics, and most importantly, you'll keep some technical skills in your resume, right? For suppose C language, C++ and all. You should be thorough about those languages and basics especially. Sometimes this happens, like you'll be clear about all the tough or hard topics, but you'll miss your basic. So your basic must be very clear. You should have good understanding about those things. Then that will not be a big issue for you to crack the interview. Yeah, many people will ask the questions from your resume only. Even though the company wants that language, like even though the company wants Python language, but still they'll stick to your resume sometimes. But if you can't work, like if you don't know Python basics, then if you're not eligible to that company, only in that case the person will test your skills in that particular language, like Python.
Okay. Thank you.
Before attending any interviews, you should be thorough about the company. What are all the technologies they are working on, and you must cross check it once. Then it will be easy for you. This was out of my experience, I would say.
Overcome that nervousness and look confident and be confident.
The only thing I would say is be confident with your resume. That is the only thing which makes you confident when you sit in front of the person. Because when you go inside, the person will not know anything about you except the resume that you place in his hand. So obviously that person will try to ask questions from that, right? So when he is asking the questions what you already know, then there is nothing to feel nervous about. That's what I would say.
Thank you so much for this interview. I hope you succeed in your life very high and climb the mountains, everything. Thank you.
Thank you. I wish you the same.